Hey, what's going on, guys? So, you have a TV remote that has an issue. Maybe your power button's not working, or maybe one button, two buttons, or even three buttons are not working. Or perhaps your remote, kind of has a mind of its own, where it's flicking through the menu without you even touching anything. I'm going to show you guys a possible easy fix. This is probably going to help about 60 or 70% of you. So you don't have to go out and buy another remote. Nor do you have to take it apart and clean it with rubbing alcohol or anything like that. Okay, so this is very, very simple to do. What I need you to do first is go ahead and take out your battery. Now, this method might sound kind of ridiculous, but I'm telling you I've fixed numerous TV remotes like this. Okay, just like that. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and grab the power button right here, and I want you to press and hold it down for 1 minute. Just press and hold the power button for 1 minute non-stop. Okay, so, the batteries are out, and I'm holding the power button. Now, basically, what this is doing is called an electric discharge. It's getting rid of all the excess battery juice that's left in the remote. After 1 minute is done, let go of the power button. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and press every single button on here several times. Okay, keep going, because it's possible that some of these buttons may be stuck from coffee or soda, or maybe it's just dust and lint inside that caused them to get stuck. So, press every single button, just go crazy pressing every single button. Give it a couple of whacks. Press all the buttons again, all over. Now, go ahead and put the batteries back in, but don't put the lid on yet. Go ahead and fire up your TV and make sure all the buttons are working. If they're not, do the same thing again. Take the batteries back out, press and hold the power button down for at least 1 minute non-stop, just hold it like that. After 1 minute is up, go ahead and press each button even more. Keep going crazy with the buttons. Give it a little bigger whack, put the batteries back in, and then test it again. If it still doesn't work, give it up to 5 tries. Like I said, 60 or 70% of you will get your remotes fixed after trying this method. If it did work, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. And like I said, there should be 60 to 70% thumbs up. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Into the port. Now turn on the device and check the problem. Connect the streaming device to TV. Make sure that the cable fits tightly